good morning. Today is day 2 of our Langkawi trip. So we just got ready and we'll have breakfast now and then we'll go for a trip. So come, let me show you. There is a beautiful backyard here in our resort and we'll come back here during sunset. For today's breakfast, we are having some chicken rice, some kidney beans, some french fries, some noodles and some paratha. I think this is water. See the color.
Some flavored water. It's good.
We got a free upgrade to a better room, and from this room the view is just awesome. Our first stop for today is Atma Alam, an art village which was founded in 1987. Here you will mainly find different kinds of Malaysian arts and crafts.
So we reached a place called Kota Mahsuri. They said it's kind of a museum or exhibition type. The place is beautiful. There is a ticket that is required for around 17 ringgit. So we'll go and see what is inside. So probably this looks like the countryside houses, how it looks like, and this is completely built on sustainable living. The entire house is built on natural things like wood, bamboos. It looks beautiful. Now we have reached one of the main attractions of Langkawi, that is the Eagle Park, and there's a water bodies and a lot of restaurants this side, and that's the main attraction of Eagle Park. So we'll go close to that eagle and we'll have a clear view of it.
We have reached Eagle Park. The name Langkawi is derived from Hilang and Kavi. Hilang means eagle in Malay and Kavi means reddish brown stone. And in Langkawi you will find many eagles. Next we visited Langkawi Underwater Vault, which is famous for different kinds of marine animals and fishes and different kinds of birds you will find here. It's a fun to visit place. Our first boat trip starts here and we are going to explore some of the beautiful islands of Langkawi today. From Langkawi we came here by a boat. We took for this island hopping tour, and here we came to this Geoforest Park. Come, let's explore together. It's almost end of the day today, but we are happy because we covered all the places whatever we thought for today, so we are happy.
This is the last island that we'll be visiting today. We'll spend around 1 hour here and then we'll be back to the main island. It's very beautiful. The water is so clean, Have a look at the, water. See, it's so clean. You can even see the underwater fishes also. It's past 5 here. We are just done with the island trip. Once we came in the shore, we just see everything is standstill because the time is over now for them. Everyone has left the place. This island, no one is here. Please, it was so happening few minutes back, and now it's quiet.
So we came back and tired. So now it's Maggie time. This place was really serene and we probably had witnessed a very beautiful sunset from our resort.
So we came for dinner and we are having nasi lemak ayam. This is chicken fried rice. Chicken fry is there. And this is the fried rice with some egg. And we got a little soup. How's the food?
This is so good.
So we love the local food. It's tasty and we are enjoying our dinner.
Good morning.
Good morning everyone. So it's day 3 today here. Very nice beautiful morning. We came out for the breakfast. We'll have breakfast and then we'll go for the mangrove tour today. So our itinerary planned is today we'll have mangrove tour and then we'll have cable car. That's what we planned for. So our car will pick up us at 10 o'clock.
We are heading to the mangroves forest tour. Roads are very nice.
Yes,
Very nice and very clean.
yeah, because Langkawi no crowded.
Yeah.
It's simple dessert. Very simple dessert.
Yeah, but it was very delicious.
Yeah.
Even chicken was also like the spice. We really liked it.
Yeah.
Our guide was really adorable and helped us in many ways. We arrived at the jetty and we have taken the trip to, which includes mangrove tour and cave exploration. We are at the eagle feeding zone and you can see in front of me there are so many eagles coming here. There are boats who are feeding them. Just look at the view. Behind me is Crocodile Cave. So they are saying that now we can go inside, but during high tide, this is completely flooded and we can't go inside. We are about to arrive at the floating village of Langkawi.
Okay. So you cannot touch like stingray.
They bite?
Yeah, they will bite. They have sharp teeth.
Okay.
So the big one inside here we got around 15 kilo.
15 kilo.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the small one we got inside here around 7 kilo, 5 kilo.
This is the cave.
Light see? Torch?
In Malay word, Gua means cave. And we honestly did not expect that we could see so many bats here in this cave. This is really famous for its unique rock formation. Our boat got stuck here, so I'm not sure why, but the engine is not working. Thanks to this boat, they actually helped us to fix our problem. We are now entering into Kilim Geoforest Park, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is very famous for its limestone and the beautiful landscape. This part of Langkawi is very close to Thailand and we are almost near to the border now. That area is Thailand.
Thank you. My name is Fikri.
Huh? Your name?
Fikri.
Fikri.
Yes.
Okay. Nice meeting you.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. আমরা অন্য দিক দিয়ে গাড়ি করে নিয়ে গেল না এই বিচটাতেই এসেছিলাম It was probably one among the most scenic beaches in Langkawi. So we completed our mangrove tour and now we are going there. Cable car has different packages. One is Skycap admission. There are other packages also like helicopter ride and all, but we are going for the basic one, which is 85, and from there we'll go by walk the Sky Bridge. Langkawi Sky Cave has two different phases and the journey through the mountain is very scenic. We have arrived at the first station and we will go check out and then we'll proceed for the next level. After reaching to the top station, you will find a restaurant there. From top station there are two different paths to reach to Langkawi Sky Bridge. One is to take the tramway and another path leads through the jungle, which is 6 ringgit. It's a long way we are walking. We took that 6 ringgit ticket to walk through the jungle. Definitely this experience is good, but I am afraid while returning how much we have to climb.
We'll have energy test then. Look at the color of the tree. It's so orange, so bright.
I think this shell has removed somehow. Finally we are reaching. Langkawi Sky Bridge is world's highest pedestrian suspension bridge and it was founded in 2004. We are returning back from this place, so it is actually a hanging bridge. So while we are walking it is shaking a little bit and I am feeling scared. There's a cliff view over there. So which sea is it? Andaman or do you know?
I think this side is Andaman Sea.
So from the top cliff you can see a beautiful view of Andaman Sea and Strait of Malacca in both the sides. The scenic view while descending was equally beautiful, and what we saw with our own eyes, cameras can never do justice to that. I'm sure that you don't want to miss this 3D art museum and the Skyrex theatre. We ended our day with some cold coffee and local Malaysian noodles and a lovely sunset. Langkawi was wonderful and we are going to see you in Penang. Stay tuned.